value-driven.
Amazing.
Fun to work with.
My family.
Adventurous.
Great place to work.
Adorable.
It's an emotion.
I think the fact that you can talk quite openly, get the opportunity to change the culture as you go about doing it, understanding the difference between past and how it has to move to the present, transcending that entire thing. So that's basically it.
I think it's the people. The entire the people across experience, across generations, regions. It's a rich culture. And I think it's really enjoyable working with them.
Passion, the joy of all being together and working towards common cause.
The company fundamentals are super. As a group, the impact that they have created in the industry is unsurpassable. It's a great company to work for.
This is my first company which I had joined this campus in '83. Myself, Gurnani, Mr. Sunil Bambani, we used to work together.
It's about empowering people and it's about creating leaders of today and tomorrow.